Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, whichever applies to you. I am RJ Williams with Equity Payments in Life. We provide customer financing platforms in order for you to offer a financing option, a flexible financing option for your customers to make payments for your products and services. This is a no brainer. I want to go ahead and break down this for you so you can take a look at what is available to you and your customers. Okay, so what are the challenges? The challenges have all been the same. Disposable income has been an issue, especially in times when it's a home repair or an improvement that is unexpected, an emergency that needs to be fixed right away. AC, heating, all types of contracting that is done on homes falls under this category. Sometimes it's just an unexpected cost that's there, but disposable income is the issue. High ticket. Last quarter, not only did we see a downtick in disposable income, but that's been the trend in the 3 months prior to last quarter. Results for last month or this month are not out yet, but we saw an uptick in inflation in December. So the overall message is there's just not enough disposable income or available credit for these emergency and unforeseen home repairs and improvements as there once was. Even for those who are looking to make repairs and improvements, more homeowners are opting not to even take out equity to make home improvements or repairs or renovations. They look to use debt and leverage their credit worthiness to compartmentalize these large purchases to better manage and conserve their disposable income. So it's more so about flexibility, not necessarily affordability. In a lot of cases, that is the issue, and they just simply need a great financing partner with great terms to be able to effectively afford your services as well as continue to manage their cash flows in the best ways possible. Okay, so the solution that we have for you is going to be a one application multi lender platform. It is tailored specifically to the home improvement industry. Now, we do have another core credit program that will be outlined to you in the proposal that I send over to you. But basically, your customers are filling out one simple application that takes 3 to 4 minutes, and that can be completed from any device and at any location. So if you have your people in house, you can fill out that quick application in front of them, click submit. You'll have decisions within 1 to 2 minutes. Or if you're talking to them on the phone or what have you, you can text message them a link to your application, or you can email that link to your application. The application will be again co-branded to your logo. 16 different lenders in there, prime to subprime lenders in there. So they are covering and approving people with FICO scores as low as 550 and 600. Here are some of the terms that you can see. You can see that we have multiple 0% promotions as far as the interest on these loans. Terms can go in general up to 15 years. Amounts up to $55,000 can be financed under this platform. In the core credit platform, I believe it's $100,000. And your prime interest rates are starting at 6.99%. What we're typically seeing from people getting approved for financing through this platform, they are seeing an annual percentage rate or an interest rate, I should say, of 10 to 25%. Again, that depends on your FICO score. There is a cost to your business for each finance transaction, but of course, that cost is baked into the price to your customer for your services. Just like you go to a furniture store and you see a $3,000 sofa, you can either pay $3,000 in cash, or if you have it financed, you will notice that they will bake in the cost to finance that transaction to the customer. So effective cost would be zero to your company. Multiple waterfall solutions available simply means that you have 16 different lenders in this platform. And once you click submit on that application, it's going to start going to each one of these one by one. The AI and algorithms will take hold. The application will go to each one of these lenders. So if one declines you or doesn't approve you for enough, it'll go to the next app. It'll go to the next lender and the next lender and the next lender until within 1 to 2 minutes you got all the solutions available to you on the screen, and the customer gets to pick, what lender they want to go with and what terms and percentage rates. Okay, so let's go over the actual platform. Okay, it's a legitimate, full-fledged, co-branded platform. It includes your dashboard with your full reporting. Very simple to use and implement. We have a full team to help support that easy setup process and onboarding process. Make sure everything works for you. So when your customer arrives and wants to get financing for the purchase, they can either do so in person with you. You can have somebody fill out that simple application, or you can send them a link to your application via email or text message. Okay. This platform to integrate has no monthly subscription fees. The only one time fee is a setup fee to get the platform built and onboarded for you. That one time setup fee is $299 and it will be rebated. Every $20,000 that you finance through this platform, you get a $100 back. And then of course, there is a commission earned on every finance transaction. Okay, so that makes the effective cost to integrate this platform $0 and 0 cents, because the cost to the business or contractor to finance each transaction, as we mentioned in the last slide, it's built into the fee charged to the homeowner. Effective cost to integrate this is $0 and 0 cents, and what you're simply doing in exchange is you are opening this up to a wider segment of customers. There are some flexible installment plans that are available, but of course, these do not guarantee your money up front and in full. You'll actually get paid on these as they make their monthly payments. Some companies like to include them, some companies don't. You do not have to have this option as part of your financing. The core credit program and the one that I explained in this particular video, it includes getting your money upfront and in full for your services. And so that's where it creates the great balance for us. Customer gets more flexible payment options, and you as a company, you get to do business as you normally do it and collect your funds as you normally do, upfront and in full. Okay, so we would love to provide you with a more granular look at the financing programs and their terms. I'm going to send you a proposal. Okay, no obligation proposal, but it's going to give you a granular look at both of these programs, both the core credit program as well as the multi lender direct to merchant platform that's specifically for the home improvement industry. You can carry one of those options or both of those options. If you have any questions, please let me know. What I'm going to do is include a link to enroll into the program. It's going to give you a quick it's going to give you a quick video. It's going to give you some of the bullet points with regards to the program. If you're ready to sign up, you can go ahead and use that link to do so. If you have any questions, please give me a call. Reach me at contact us at theemeraldequity.com or RJ at theemeraldequity.com. Thank you so much for your time. I appreciate it. And again, this is a no brainer, just a no brainer to add to your payment stack and operations and options for your customers. Um, Happy Tuesday.